Good morning students, this is As Mohammad Khan from SKM Public School. I welcome you with one interesting topic, temperature. About the heat we have discussed students, what is heat? Heat is the form of energy. And that heat have the temperature student. And heat have always the high temperature. Means if the object is hot, then it has high temperature. If the object is cool, then it has low temperature. So what is temperature student? Temperature is the physical quantity from which we measure the coolness and warmness of an object. The coolness and warmness of an object is measured by the temperature student. It is measured by the temperature, means which temperature that particular object possesses. According to that temperature, we can say that the object is hot or cool. So what is temperature? Temperature is the physical quantity, and in the physical quantity student, it is scalar quantity. First you try to understand that what is physical quantity. Means all the quantities that we can observe with the help of our sense organs. With the help of our sense organ, those all quantities are known as physical quantities. So temperature is the physical quantity and it is a scalar physical quantity because it does not have the sense of direction. There are the two type of physical quantities students: scalar and vector. Scalar and vector. Scalar quantity does not have the sense of direction, it has only the magnitude. Vector quantity has the sense of direction. Has the sense of direction student. Now we come on the temperature SI unit. Temperature SI unit is Kelvin student. What is it? It is Kelvin. Temperature SI unit is Kelvin. And if we represent it with K, Kelvin, Kelvin, and is the general unit that we use for measuring the temperature, it is degree Celsius. Degree Celsius. So these are the quantities. These are the quantities unit, means temperature physical quantity unit is Kelvin and degree Celsius. Now we come on the measurement of the temperature. How do we measure the temperature student? We measure the temperature with the help of one device, and that device is known as thermometer. Means the device from which we measure the temperature of an object of a person is known as thermometer. What we call that? Thermometer. So what is the thermometer? It is a device from which we measure the temperature of an object or a person, body student. Now there are two types of thermometer. There are two types of thermometer student. Clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Now clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer student is used to measure the body temperature. This is the clinical thermometer and it is used to measure the body temperature. It is used to measure the body temperature. And how do we measure? We measure it with the help of this bulb. When we put this bulb under the arm or in the mouth, then we can notice our body temperature. And what is our constant body temperature student? It is 37 degrees Celsius. 37 degrees Celsius is our body temperature. Like if I put it in my mouth and I observe my temperature, my body temperature, then it is 37 degrees Celsius. What is it? 37 degrees Celsius. And how will I measure it? With the help of, there is one mercury line is found, student. There is one mercury line is found, and with the help of that mercury line, I notice my body temperature, and it is known as glass thermometer, and it has mercury in it. There is one special metal is found in it, that is known as mercury. And what is the symbol of mercury, student? What is the symbol of mercury? It is Hg. This metal is found inside the thermometer, from which we notice the temperature. What is it? It is mercury, student. Now, what is our body temperature? It is 37 degrees Celsius. And there is also another thermometer, student. This is also clinical thermometer. But what is the difference from that glass thermometer? Because the reading that we have in this, it is in digital form. It is in digital form. Means we can read that particular reading. And these thermometers generally give the reading in degree Celsius. In which unit they give the reading? They give the reading in degree Celsius, student. So, the clinical thermometer, there are the two types of thermometer, clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of human body. Means the thermometer that is used to measure the body temperature is known as clinical thermometer, and it has a particular range, student. Means this is the range in which it can measure the body temperature. What is it? It is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Means in between 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius, it can measure the temperature. Now we come on the next. It is laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer. Now what is the laboratory thermometer, student? The thermometer that is used in the labs to measure the temperature of a particular chemical, or to measure the temperature of boiling or melting or sublimation. There are the different physical process takes place. All those physical process temperature can be measured with the help of laboratory thermometer, and it has the different range, student. Means it can measure the temperature in between minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. What is the range of the laboratory thermometer? It is minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. And where we use it? We use it in the laboratory to measure the temperature of chemical substance, or the temperature that the objects have in different physical process, like in boiling, melting, in sublimation. There are the different physical processes are found, and in those physical process, all the objects have the different temperature, student, and that temperature is noticed with the help of laboratory system, with thermometer. So there are how many type of thermometer? Two type of thermometer. Now you will draw a neat and clean diagram of thermometer in your notebook, student. Both the diagram, clinical thermometer diagram you will make, that is given in your book, and laboratory thermometer diagram you will draw. These both type of thermometer diagram you will draw in your notebook. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.